How to tag your idea pin on Pinterest. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to tag your idea pin on Pinterest. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Pinterest and you can do it on your mobile phone. Make sure that you have the updated version of Pinterest, and once you update your Pinterest app, then you can just open it up. So we need to create a pin in order to, add different tags, and I'll show you how to tag your idea pin. For that, I'm going to click on my profile, and then we're going to click on this plus button. It will ask us to create a pin or a board. So I'm going to select pin. So you have to just create a pin. This is going to be an idea pin that I will be creating. Now we have to give our pin a title and description. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go ahead and enter a title. And we can also enter any kind of website. Then click on next. So you have to select a board that you want to go for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a private board for this one, and that pin will be added. Now we can open that pin up, and then we have the alt text option here. So if you do not see the tag option for now on your Pinterest, what you can do is you can go to the alt text, and then you can add different tags to your Pinterest. For example, I can call it like wallpaper, so I can add this tag. The tags help us with the SEO of our pins on Pinterest. So I can go with hashtag wallpapers, hashtag Pinterest. So this will add different tags to my pin that I create right here. So this is the easiest way to do so. You can also get the option of tags when you are posting a video or creating an idea pin. So this is the easiest way. Click on done and your pin will have tags, and this is how you can add tags to your idea pin on Pinterest. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.